Hi guys, my name's Dave Skala. I'm the Director of Unmanned Systems for Invictus Technical Solutions, LLC. Basically, we're out here today at the Wilbur Quarry, and what we're hoping to do is we're going to do some test mapping using this unique system here. This is the Q500, available from unique.com. We sell this system and we found it to be extremely easy to use, and that's kind of why we're going to do this test today, to see what is the maximum amount of aircraft needed to really pull off these kind of jobs. So today we're out here at the Wilbur Quarry and we're going to be doing some oblique photography using this system. The results of this is actually going to be passed down to the Unique manufacturer and see if they can tweak the system a little bit to make it do the job a little more effectively for us. The results of this test today will help us determine exactly what is needed to finish this kind of a job. So basically the flight path today that we're going to be doing is we're going to basically put the aircraft straight up in this area today just for the test. We'll fly a couple of lawnmower patterns over the top of this at maybe a 25-30% angle on the camera system, snapping still pictures. The photography we're doing today is with the Seago 2, which is a high-def video camera, all-inclusive, and it does snap still pictures. One of the concerns I have is it takes roughly about 4 seconds for those pictures to engage. Thank God for the Unique's Q500's flight time. It can actually be in the air roughly 25 minutes, so we should have more than enough time to do this manually. So today I'm going to try to do manual photography of this cliff face to simulate roadside construction engineering applications. So for us, it would be flying over this area on the side of a highway for a Department of Transportation and demonstrating the ability to analyze this, turn it into a three-dimensional point cloud, and then pass that to engineers. My goal in the future is to transmit this same data live to engineers so they can actually evaluate it on the spot through Wi-Fi networks or airware, things like that. So hopefully we get some luck. I noticed we got a ton of birds flying in and out of that. That's going to be interesting to see in photography if we see a bunch of little smears and things. Just for reference, what we have going on here with the truck is right now we're just going to use the typical Unique Systems setup. As far as the radio, it's got on screen. We know the altitude. We'll document the altitude. I'm doing 3 series of tests today. Flyovers, doing slight oblique, video capture, bring back into software and convert it to JPEG images, which will be hundreds because it'll take every frame of that video footage and turn it into one still picture. So I'm going to try a couple of methods today, see which one's the quickest, easiest. Now you notice the aircraft we have, Unique Q500. We are distributors of this. We can resell these. So we're going to make our recommendations to our engineering departments and stuff on what we really like to see done with these aircraft. You know, do some really good engineering, not just aerial photography. My truck's a mess right now, but basically in the back of the truck here, you see that I have a couple of monitors. This is actually a smart TV. I can pipe computer stuff into it or standard analog digital video, HDMI, things like that. It is actually Wi-Fi enabled. That's another experiment I'm working on. I'd like to link this helicopter through a router into my truck and give me nice 28-inch monitor pictures. We get a lot of demonstration shows that we do, and it's kind of hard to show people when you're looking at a little tiny monitor. This will be pilot. This is pilot view. This is engineer view if we're running a 2-person system like the H920s. The aircraft pipes down into the truck. Truck, of course, completely enabled. Again, hauling kids. Gotta love that. It's all set up with computers. We have 2 or 3 laptops in here, and we have DC power, AC power, the ability to charge up all our systems and be self-contained through the vehicle. So, enough talking. I'm going to get in the air, and we're going to go ahead and start doing some stuff today, and I'll provide that footage and the results of the tests.